Yes, my name is Chi. This is a short name. Yes, and okay, 42 years old, and I come from China, Shanghai. Because my wife moved here to job here, so I come with her and take care of the family and the child. Because I have a chance to do that. Because I love the food. I like to make it by myself, and my child always like that. So I think I can do that. Because the Chinese food is the famous thing word. I think maybe I do it better. So it's just a friend. Jing Ling is the colleague of me at the Shu. So we study language in the SB. So we are friends. So just one chance we meet on the pen and talk. So she told me she just asked me what are you doing now? I said nothing, just take care of the home. She said, we have a chance. You can do some job with the cooker. I said yes, why not? So I just try and I make some the demo to her, and she tasted that and she said, it's great. It's fantasy. It's the hometown's taste, So please come and enjoy us. Yes, I did it. I get the offers on the APP. The Gastronaut. They sent offers to me. So they said what times, how many APs, and what kind of the food you should make. So I just check it, and yes, it's possible to me. So its time's okay, and I can do that. So I said to confirm that. So almost before 1 day, I go to the market and to shop some delicious, some fresh food. So maybe 10 hours or 5 hours. It's a bit depend on how many food they want. So I made the food, keep it warm, and deliver it to the office. So they will deliver to the customer. To me, basically it's money. Yes, and another means is I can give the customer the traditional, original Chinese taste, because I can find it in the Sweden. It's very hard to find it because they always change. I just want to keep the original taste and the hometown's taste. What come from, I remember. It's memory. No. In China, I'm just an engineer, a radio engineer. So some mobile phone, some stations engineer. I just work almost 12 years in China. But here, just to change that, because it's very tired job. So you must keep reading almost 20 hours every day. So it's very tired.